There's Airwin.
I just woke up.
She just woke up. Look, she's got a little bird in her hand. Hi, birdie.
He's sad.
Is he?
He needs a ladder.
Happy July. Don't worry about it. What's she putting it? Take your time. Take your time, one step at a time.
I am, Dad. Oh, great.
That's not it?
They're clogged.
Are they? How much do you think it's supposed to be up there? Come down. We'll move you over there.
No, someone's gonna stick their head out. Look.
Oh,
What?
am I done filming?
Oh my God, where's the stick? Do I take two?
Oh, you can move. Now there's two there on that one. Just move to the different ladder. Nice ladder view.
Are you working there? Dad?
No, it's fine. You can't put anybody. I'm not caught cleaning up there. David's like they're clogged. Weren't they? Guys. No, he's not. What's he doing? Daddy's kicking the bucket. Hey. Woo!
Oh, poor birdie.
There. A little bird, a baby bird. This wasn't a baby bird.
Hi. Open the door.
He's watching.
There's an Alex on the floor.
Oh, no,
So he starts at this end, and he goes all the way to that end.
Open the door. There's an Alex on the floor.
And there's an Aaron. Let's see if we can find anything else in here. And walk on in. Oh, look, there's Peter. Hi, there's Peter.
And
There she is, out looking at her deck. Morning, Mother.
Morning, how are you?
Just fine.
Best friend I've ever eaten. How about joining me?
I'll be glad to. Bye.
Bye. Hey.
the somersault.
Huh?
No. Yeah, show Uncle David. Two.
Two, huh?
Can you say your ABCs? Yay! Now show Uncle David what you did at your graduation. What song did you sing?
Oh,
Show him. Look over. Sing. Down.
Who's Aaron? Aaron got locked out the front door and he got locked out the back door.
She's up here. Katie, show Uncle David what you do with your somersaults.
There she is. She got locked out the front door. Then she got locked out the back door. What'd you do, huh?
What was that about? But there he was.
She saw you. She wanted you so bad.
Why did you open the door for me?
Well, because you left so fast. Which door? The front door? I didn't hang it.
He said I got left out that one, and then I walked 3 feet, and garage was nice. Everybody sat there and looked at me. Huh. Huh. Hey, get that out of my face. Now?
Say bye to the camera, girls.